Greetings to all from Prime Group Limited. Prime is a leading business conglomerate in India and across the globe. As we all know, water is the driving force of all nature. Understanding the need, Prime Rigs Limited, a flourishing arm of the Prime Group, was incepted in the year 2010 and is set up in Hyderabad, which has the best rail, road and air connectivity, and also has a fabrication unit in Naidupet, Nellore. Prime Group is the brainchild of Mr. Surender Mehta, an Indian entrepreneur who is the founder CMD. The rise of Prime Group can actually be defined as a journey of grit and determination. It's a journey from germination of an idea to its fructification. It is a story of vision and growth. Started as a modern enterprise in 1986, has now witnessed to be a remarkably performing multi-activity organization. He was awarded the most coveted Padma Shri by the Government of India for his distinguished contributions to the Indian economy. Mr. Rohan Mehta, the Managing Director of Prime Group, is an engineering graduate from Oxford University, UK. Mr. Rohan's inimitable approach has immensely added to the reputation of Prime Group. He is undoubtedly a youth icon and was awarded the prestigious Young Entrepreneur of the Year award in 2012 by the government. Mr. Rohan shares a great rapport with the High Commissioner of Republic of Ghana in India, His Excellency Honorable Kwaku Asomah. Prime Rigs offers the best drilling rigs to the African markets that have the power and adaptability to reach desired drilling depths in various soil and rock types. Action of the actual drilling rig when it rotates is seen here. It pounds and pulverizes its way through the rocks beneath. Stallion truck-mounted hydraulically operated DTH rotary drilling rig is capable of drilling maximum 8-inch by DTH and 10-inch by rotary operation under favorable conditions. LG-made compressor with maximum airflow 600 CFM, 200 psi fuel tank. We all deeply believe that if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. Yes, we understand that there is no life without water. You can see our related customers bursting in joy, deeply delighted to see the water gushing through the rigs. PDTHR 300 Captain Cabin is the super strong latest cabin truck mounted hydraulically operated DTH rotary drilling rig that is capable of drilling maximum 8-inch by DTH and 10-inch by rotary operations.
So the acceptance procedures have been done and completed. As you can see, the truck is on the flatbed, ready to go to Mumbai. I'm so happy with your service, guys. Final product is impressive. Yes, it's a refurbished truck, but I'm sure it's as good as new. I can't wait to use it in Zimbabwe. I recommend anyone who's buying a refurbished truck, please use these guys. Work with these guys, they'll give you the right product.
T100 is a high-performing truck-mounted hydraulically operated DTH rotary drilling rig that is capable of drilling 8-inch by DTH and 10-inch by rotary operation under favorable conditions. This model is supposed to be one among the best in the rigs market. This truck entails the entire rig an LG compressor, hose feed, backhook provider, drill rods of 15 feet each, mud pump, fuel tank of 600 liters for the compressor and 100 liters for PDTHR 300 Captain Cabin. The latest is a truck-mounted, hydraulically operated DTH rotary drill rig that's capable of drilling 8-inch by DTH and 10-inch by rotary operation under favorable conditions. This Ashok Leyland cabin truck is embedded over with the entire rig, an LG compressor with maximum airflow of 1100 CFM, maximum rated air pressure of 300 PS. PDTHR 400 is one of the best and brand new truck-mounted drilling rig in the market. It is intended for use in borehole drilling for drinking water and agricultural use. It is designed for 6-inch by 10-inch diameter holes with a down-the-hole hammer and 6-inch by 12-inch with rotary operation. As Benjamin Franklin had rightly said, when the well is dry, we know the worth of water. No water, no life. No blue, no green. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Water is indeed life's matter and matrix, mother and medium, as said by Hugh Auden, an American poet. PDTHR 600 trailer-mounted hydraulically operated DTH rotary drill rig is capable of drilling maximum 14-inch by DTH and 16-inch by rotary operation under favorable conditions. This model is a rotary drill rig and is also capable of drilling in different formations such as hard rock by DTH and consolidated alluvial formations using air, water, foam, flush by rotary method. PDTHR 600 is mounted on a carrier which is skid supported with 5 jack cylinders on trailer bed with 12 tires. PDTHR 600 dual truck. Both these rigs are ideal for water well drilling application in rock formation. Thanks to its simple and compact design, excellent performance, high accessibility and reliability at affordable cost has a class in itself. PDTHR 600 rig's flexibility means it can be mounted on big trailer versions and can be used for both DTH and mud rotary drilling. Prime Rigs provides a comprehensive range of mud rotary, DTH and flooded reverse water drilling machine for small to big boreholes. Now let's see the notable features of Prime Rigs, Prime Water Rig drilling machines. Number 1, it's safe, efficient and dependable. Water rig drilling machine from Prime Rigs gets engineered for safety, dependability and efficiency with solutions to meet all of your drilling requirements. They are adaptable. These drills have the power and adaptability to reach desired drilling depths in a variety of soil and rock types. Customizable. Our borehole drilling is available in a variety of customizable specifications to meet the needs of our customers. Moreover, our machines are available in a variety of operating and power capabilities. Prime Rigs has exported its rigs to many parts of the African countries. Prime has also exported its rigs to the Middle East countries such as Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Yemen, Abu Dhabi, and also to South America. Prime's drilling rigs have made their presence in the Asia-Pacific region to countries like Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Prime has successfully made its presence in East Africa, West Africa, South Africa, as we have developed the products to meet the customers' needs. Prime believes in giving a one-stop solution to the industry for engineering, designing, fabrication, and precision machining needs. Water, as we know, is the lifeblood of our planet. When there is water on earth, you find life. As you can see, our happy customers who are extremely delighted to see their lifeline of nature. They are over the moon and jubilant. They are gloriously happy and merrily celebrating this moment. This is a moment where the dreams have come true, a moment to cherish, a moment of pure ecstasy, a moment of joy. Let's join hands in making Prime rigs reach to many more customers and to quench their thirst forever. These are some of the testimonials that we have received from some of our happy customers, and this has been possible because Prime has been maintaining international quality standards, unique design and performance, strong hydraulics and customized designs, compact machines, and lastly ensures customer satisfaction. Last but not the least, we would like to thank all our customers and all other stakeholders for their continuous support and confidence in us. We are committed to giving the best quality service to all our esteemed customers forever.